Come test drive the 2019 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, headlight cleaners, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, fog lights, ambient lighting. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.